My boss, Ken Meyer, came up to me and knew that I worked on the last vehicle that we got there, Explore More, and he had asked me if I wanted to do it again. I said, sure, I'd love to do it again. It's for the kids.
Scott really, was huge on giving back to the community, and Explore More is really holds dear to his heart. Scott wanted to put a Mustang GT in there, so it's a highly desirable car.
They had electronics installed in it. There's a horn on the steering wheel that you can honk. You hit the accelerator or gas pedal like a revving an engine, and then when you hit the brake pedal, it squeals like screeching to a halt. I thought that was pretty neat. You could turn the headlights on, and it's going to be a ball of fun for the kids, let's put it that way.
It is our brand new car. I love saying that just like I'm on Price is Right. It's a brand new car. That's exactly how I feel. It's super exciting. It is accessible, so if we have a visitor who is in a wheelchair or has a mobility device, we could actually move the seats so people can still partake regardless. That's what I think I love the most, is that the designers of this really worked with us to ensure that there was no barrier to play. I think it's going to be really exciting when they see a bright yellow car that they could get in and have a passenger in now. It's going to be super fun.